Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the AMA and SIM ICSID. These identifiers must match carrier records. Once you have carrier credentials and any provisioning PIN, connect the device with a known good USB adapter or diagnostic port. You will use the carrier portal or an MNO provisioning tool right away, so log in and enter the AMA and ICSID exactly as shown. Make sure to record any error codes returned. They guide the next steps and avoid repeated, unnecessary resets. You now run the provisioning flow through the carrier portal or your provisioning server. First, associate the ICSID with the AMA and chosen plan, then push the OTA SIM profile or manually configure APN, authentication method, and IP mode. Watch the device logs for attach, PDP context creation, and SREG responses. These entries show success or the exact failure point. If an OTA fails, retry with incremental changes and log each attempt so you can compare successful versus failing command sequences. You finish by forcing a full network attach and running a data transfer test to verify real-world connectivity and throughput. Once done, confirm the carrier shows the billing state is active and the service class matches your expected limits, because provisioning without billing authorization often blocks traffic. Make sure to document the final status codes. If things go wrong, reset the SIM profile, reflash the OTA provisioning file, or swap to a known test SIM to isolate hardware versus provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.